It's 2020 and Honor is back with the first launch of the year with the 9X. Now before we get started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. This is Sandeep and you're watching the unboxing of the 9X. The Honor 9X comes in a signature Honor box which showcases the 9X design and branding up front. Opening the top lid reveals the phone itself, which in our case is the sapphire blue variant, and it looks beautiful, especially with the reflective pattern on back, which we shall talk about later. Also inside the box is the SIM ejector pin, the flexible TPU clear case, the wall charger, as well as the USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfers. The Honor 9X comes in black and blue variants, but the striking thing about it is the X pattern at the back that appears and sort of radiates in a beautiful manner based on how light falls onto it. The backside of the phone is also where you find the triple camera setup as well as the fingerprint scanner. The camera setup consists of a primary 48MP half-inch sensor with f1.8 aperture, a secondary ultra-wide-angle camera with f2.4 aperture and 120° field of view, and finally a 2MP f2.4 depth sensor. The image quality looks impressive so far, especially in terms of night mode and the ultra-wide-angle camera perspective that it offers. Moving up front, you'll see the large display, which is 6.59 inch in terms of size and has 2340 vertical and 1080 horizontal pixels. The IPS panel has rounded edges and extends well towards the sides of the phone. The only place with a slight bezel is the chin, and even that is minimal. The display has no notch intrusion whatsoever thanks to the fact that it has a pop-up camera system, and the pop-up camera is a 16MP f2.2 unit and is located at the top alongside the hybrid dual SIM tray. It springs into action when you activate the selfie camera. You generally don't see pop-up cameras in this price segment, but Honor have managed to do it here. At the bottom is where you find the USB Type-C port, audio jack and loudspeaker grill, and under the hood is a 12nm Kirin 710F chipset along with 4 or 6GB of RAM. The Honor 9X comes with GPU Turbo 3.0, which especially gives better performance when playing games like PUBG, etc. We have the 6+128GB variant here with us and is running on Android 9 Pie out of the box with EMUI 9.1 on top. It comes with all Google Play services and apps as well, and the phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery which supports 10W charging speeds or the USB Type-C port. The Honor 9X will be available at a price of Rs 13,999 for the 4+128GB variant, but on the first day you get Rs 1000 discount, and additionally there's also a bank offer with 10% instant discount on ICICI credit cards from 19th to 22nd January. That brings the effective price to Rs 11,699, and you also get the 6+128GB variant at 16,999 with additional 10% off on ICICI credit card as well from the same period. That's it for this video, guys. We hope you liked it. Please do hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. See you again in the next one, and stay tuned for more content on the Honor 9X from us.